Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you're all fine, good, cool, and having chill. So guys, if you guys are new here, so please subscribe to this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next tutorial. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can see my Instagram in the description. Link is in the description, and it's coming here right now. So guys, in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you a beautiful style of tieng turban that I'm wearing right now. And this turban can save you from coronavirus also, because it can cover your face. Okay, so let's see how can you tie this beautiful turban. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So Allah Hafiz, till my next tutorial.